Hello, welcome back to the Melo Project Runway for the Youth, and we are going to be going through chapter by chapter of Fashion Design Empowers the Mind. It was a calling. The first chapter was my calling to teach. And I thought, what am I going to teach? I have fashion design as a background, so should I teach kids fashion designing? But what kind of fashion designing am I going to do? I said, what if I go straight to teaching them to be real fashion designers according to the real world? I didn't thought about it. I brought all my material, even stuff I got from college, and put it all together. This is what they would have to do in the industry. What about what the knowledge they have? They have to have the history of fashion. They have to know all the necklines, right? And then let's get the sewing out of the way fast, right? Because you guys don't have patience. Sewing lessons. I tried to look at every shape that they could possibly do and any design they would do, and I created shapes. 2 hours of lesson, they learn to sew these shapes that I've created, and they can sew like a pro in 2 hours.
I never seen anyone use like I didn't even know that when you turn the knob, it's stitching it manually.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
You didn't even need electricity.
No.
You could literally sew without electricity.
Yeah.
And that's why when I decided to make a system that a 5-year-old can be able to sew and make their own clothes, I had to simplify it.